Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G32 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to do screen mirroring in Moto G32 with any Android TV. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings. Then go to network and internet and go to hotspot and tethering. And here turn on Wi-Fi hotspot and you click on use Wi-Fi hotspot. Here click on security. I choose none because for demo purpose I don't want to use password. Okay, but you should use password to protect your hotspot from connecting other persons to your hotspot. Okay, so here I click on none for demo purpose only, and then hotspot is created. Now go to home screen, then go to your TV, go to your TV and select settings there and select additional settings, then select network and internet and turn on Wi-Fi and click on the signal you received from your TV. Here this is the hotspot I created in Moto G32 money 9457. It's connected. Now come to your phone. And go to Google Play Store and search with the term Google Home. But you are offline. It's saying that you are offline because mobile data is not enabled. So enable mobile data and search Google Home. Search Google Home and click on install. Just wait few seconds for downloading and installing. If it is 5G, it will be very fast download, but here this phone is I think 4G or 5G? 4G only, so it takes some more time to download. And yes, it's downloaded. Now it's going to install. Just wait. Installation is going on. Installation is done and click on open. Now your go to devices and here you are seeing Android TV signal from your TV. Just click that and then click on cast my screen here and click on cast screen. Okay, click on cast screen and click on start now. Your phone screen will be mirrored to TV now. See there, yes, it's perfectly mirrored. Here you can adjust the volume to increase volume, move this bar in clockwise direction. If you circle it in anti-clockwise direction, volume will be decreasing. Okay, yes, it's done. Now I go to different page in my phone. Whatever I go, that's also in my TV. So in this way you can easily do screen mirroring from Moto G32 any Android TV. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.